Hey everyone, it's Jesse with Bona Fine Homes and Estates. Today I wanted just to speak to you about a great alternative to changing your fence. For example, take a look at this wood fence here in the back. Instead of spending several $1,000s replacing the fence, we bought these Thuja Giant evergreens and we got them on sale. We got them half off last year during the off season. They were really small, like 3 foot tall. And look, in 1 year, look how wide they've gotten. Look how much they've grown. I think each of these were like $35 that we paid for. But they're gonna look like the ones on the other side of the fence. Get extremely high and beautiful and cover this entire area. And you're just gonna have this beautiful, natural looking fence line that gives the property a richer look, and it's just great to look at. It's wonderful for the environment. So next time, consider that as a really great alternative to spruce up your property. One really important thing to keep in mind about these particular trees is that they need a ton of water, and a great option is these drip lines. Take a look. Instead of having sprinklers, put these drip lines, wrap them around each tree. These lines are very flexible and they really soak these trees the way they need to be, and that will really help them grow to their full potential.